Hey guys, I'm showing you this Metaquest 3 headrest and head strap. So you can see this is actually additional head strap that you can use with a Metaquest 3, and this is a form, like a very comfortable form that you can arrange with this velcro adjustable to your head, and this is a very soft form with a PU leather. This are the other form that goes on the side, so it will not hurt your vision and stuff. And it's a head, so this is the head strap, and this is adjustable as well. There is a manual that describes the process how you can use and install with the Metaquest 3, and this can also be used with the Oculus. So basically it's a movable and flexible design, and you can adjust accordingly with the height and everything. Adjustable knob and adjustable length and size. So very helpful for the Metaquest 3 head strap.